In today's tutorial, we are tackling a simple but confusing task for beginners. How to replace or fix faulty or damaged plugs of your household electrical appliance, whether it is your pressing iron, your standing fan, home theater, or any other gadget. Hello wonderful people, welcome back to this channel. I celebrate you all because you guys are special to me. Here is your trusted guide for everything electrical, from conduit piping and wiring to fittings and everyday fixes. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome because you are in the right place. And please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out in our next upload. And of course, we would like to share your thoughts. Drop your comments at the comment section below. Most electrical gadgets come with either a 2-pin or a 3-pin plug that connects it to your power source. If your electrical gadget suddenly stops working and you are sure that your socket is working perfectly well, then the culprit could be your plug. Here, before we jump into solving this problem, we are going to look at the 3 associated cases when it has to do with our 2-pin or 3-pin plug. The first case is a damaged or burnt neck of the plug due to constant plugging and removing from the socket. You notice that most times they are the plugs, the neck part of the plug, the cable is always burnt. It is either burnt or damaged due to constant bending. That is case 1. In case 2, you notice that either it is not burnt, but inside it there is a kind of partial contact due to loose or corroded terminals for the case 1, case 2. Then in the case 3, you notice that either the wires outside the plug is damaged, either exposed or partially cut. So these 3 cases, we are going to look into them and see how we can proffer solution by solving them.
If the plug in question is accessible and reusable, 1. Open the plug carefully by loosening the screws. 2. Unscrew the cable termination, the terminations holding the cable inside the plugs. 3. Cut off any burnt or damaged section of the wire. 4. Strip the cable end and reconnect each wire to its original terminal. Ensure it's firm and secure. B. If the plug is not accessible or totally damaged, that is, if the plug is not accessible or it is totally burnt or damaged or there's nothing you can do, the only option is either to replace it. What you need to do here is 1. You cut off the entire faulty plug with the burnt wire section and get a new plug, preferably one with screw terminal for ease. Then open and connect the wire as follows. You notice the green wire, either green or yellow wire, is for the earth termination. The earth. This termination is for the earth. So the green wire should go to the termination provided for the earth. The blue or black cable or wire is for neutral. So it should go to the terminal provided for the neutral, while the red or brown cable is the live. It should go to the terminal provided for the live cable. In most plugs, you notice that the provision made for the live cable is always fused. So it should go to the point or to the terminal that has a fuse provided for it. So take note of this. This is how it should be connected so that you don't make mistakes during your plug replacement. I hope it's noted. Double check your terminals or your terminations and screw everything back tightly. And that's it. You've just fixed your plug like a professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more practical tips like this one. Also turn on the notification bell so you are the first to know when new videos drop. We'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences and questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in our next tutorial video. Bye.